Sorry, but someone had to say this. I've been thinking about this since a while when I attended one of my clients about healing the anxiety of that particular client. And I've been observing that you can have different psychologists over there available on social media out there, as well as in market. Whenever you go to a psychologist and you find that people are having generic solution on anxiety, but wherein I have understood and I've read more about it, that anxiety is of different types and you cannot actually have a generic solution towards it. I have been observing that there are different types of anxieties, and the more you take it lightly, it enhances the impact of the overall anxious impacts on your body. Whenever you are anxious throughout the day more than 3 hours, then consider this a serious thing, and you need to consider it to take it to a proper psychologist or a counselor where you find a solution to it. So I'm going to tell you few variants of anxiety where you can if you are having anxiety, you can analyze yourself that where do you fit if you are really feeling anxious throughout the day for a longer duration of time. Usually when we do overthinking, we feel anxious. Any thought, any emotional trigger that you have, it takes you to the overthinking. That is pattern number one. There is one more pattern where usually women feel anxious about the relationship where they are not able to express enough, or where the partner is manipulative and they feel that they are not expressing, they doubt themselves, and when they try to fix their relationship from their end but they are not able to do that, they start feeling anxious that they are somewhere doing less in the relationship. That is one issue. One more type of anxiety is what I have observed is in your workplace, where you are trying to perform something, when you are trying to give your best, or you're trying to go to a presentation, or you are trying to go to your boss to talk about something, when you are having a new team or new project to start, you don't know how to structure it. All these things makes you feel anxious. So this is also one pattern. And of course there is one more pattern I have observed. When something different is happening in your body, maybe your shoulder is aching, or your bones are creating some noise, or any body part which is not functioning as regular, some people start feeling anxious about it, thinking like they might not recover, or what's happening in my body. So this anxiety is related to your body parts. So these are few type of anxieties which I have presented in front of you. Having said that, there are multiple different things which creates anxiety. I'm going to try bring out those things in front of you. So stay tuned. And today I'm going to bring an EFT practice for a particular first anxiety pattern where I mentioned about overthinking. So let us try to tap on the meridian points to address the overthinking and which creates anxiety due to overthinking. Okay. As we all know, there are overall 9 tapping points, and we tap those all 9 points to get rid of any emotional thing that we carry within our bodies, within our minds. So these are the 9 tapping points, and let's start together to address the anxiety which is created due to overthinking. Okay, so please follow me, save this, and whenever you feel anxious due to overthinking, you can follow this. Let's start doing the rounds of EFT, the tapping, and you can do it with me. Even though my mind won't stop racing, I can't turn off these thoughts. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though part of me thinks overthinking keeps me safe, I'm open to the possibility that my mind can find the peace. Even though I overthought this for so long, I chose to release these racing thoughts. I choose to release these anxious feelings. Now I totally trust, forgive, love, and accept myself. This racing mind, these anxious thoughts, this racing mind, thoughts that do not stop, they continuously loop in. I can't switch it off. This overthinking, all this mental noise, I don't know why I'm not able to stop it. My mind goes in loop. It spins again and again. I accept that this is happening right now, and I totally forgive myself. So here what we have done is we have accepted that we are going through anxiety due to certain racing thoughts, due to overwhelming overthinking, which is stopping us to live our lives peacefully and blissfully. So after doing the first round, your body comes to a state where you are ready to move ahead to bring that peace back in your life. So let us go to round 2, where we create that hope within that we can take charge of our lives and we have that capability and the possibility of recovering from the anxiety. So let's move towards round 2. What if my mind could slow down? I've survived every racing thought before. Maybe I don't need to solve it right now. Everything has its own course of time. It's possibly to feel steady. I'm starting to trust a little. I'm starting to trust that I can take charge of my life. I'm starting to trust that overthinking never helps. Everything relies in right now. We have to live in present, breathe, and tell ourselves that everything will happen within its own course of time. Some part of me is settling now. I'm open to feel calm. I'm open to love myself. I'm open for this beautiful feeling and normal breathing without any anxiety and peaceful body. This particular round will help you to create that hopefulness within you, that no matter whatever happens to you, you yourself can create and bring back your peace and calm. Now moving towards round 3, where we actually go ahead and bring back our confidence, tell ourselves that overthinking can be sent back to its source and we can again feel calm and peace. So let us do round 3 together. Again, I would say don't forget to save this reel and save this video with yourself. Whenever you feel anxious due to overthinking, you can come back anytime and do it with me. Let's move towards round 3. I release all these racing thoughts throughout. I have all this resource with me which will help me to release this anxiety, this overthinking. This is not serving any good to me. I choose a quiet mind. I know I can do it. I'm the best. I'm the winner. I can take charge of my life anytime I want. I can choose my thoughts. I have created my life, and moving ahead, I'm going to create a more beautiful, peaceful life ahead. I trust myself without overanalyzing. I don't need to prove anyone. My mind can be still. I feel calm. I feel safe. I feel protected. I let go of the need to overthink. I let go the need to prove myself. I let go everything which is not serving my peaceful and calm mind. I feel normal now. I feel at ease. My body is so peaceful. I love myself. I am safe. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am living in present, breathing absolutely fine. It is a beautiful feeling, guys, when you take charge of your life, knowing that since a while you are not able to perform normally and carrying so much burden over you on overthinking and your anxious body. So whenever you feel anxious, come back to me here in this video and let us work together and eradicate overthinking and the anxiety that is brought back because of overthinking. If you want to have specific sessions on certain specific anxieties within you, you can go to my Instagram handle and ping me there and DM me there. We can set up an appointment and we can come together and resolve your issues. I hope this helps. Take care, everyone. Happy healing.